Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will cover this topic called scaling. What is scaling? Now, the documentation says of any of the cloud provider that it is the ability of your compute solution or compute service to adjust. Now, adjust here that means is maybe that compute service should increase or maybe decrease over a period of time as per your requirement changes. So for example, if the user on your website is increasing, and of course it needs more CPU memory or extra performance, right, so that your website will perform well, so the compute services behind should increase, but maybe it should decrease as well, because over a period of time, maybe the sale period is over and now we do not have that amount of users, so automatically should decrease, so that there will be less amount to pay. Okay, so when we need more servers, we should have more servers. When we don't need those servers, it should be removed, and that is what is called scaling. Now with scaling also we have two type of scaling. One is called horizontal scaling and one is called vertical scaling. Now let me explain it. So we all know horizontal scaling and vertical scaling. These two type of scalings we have. Let's discuss what does that mean. Okay, I'll just try to explain it with example of home. So for example, we have a home here. We have a home in which there are two people who live happily. Yeah, two people, they are living happily, and what happens, they have a baby. The baby grows up, and then finally the baby gets married, right? So we have the full grown boy now who got just married and with the wife, right? Now these two people, right, they need some accommodation. So for the parents, what is the best way to accommodate these people, right? Either they will have one more floor added here. So either they will add one more floor, so that they will ask these people, okay, we will live here and you guys can live here. Okay, or they will just, what they will do, they have just this house where the parents are living, and they will make one more house next to their house, and the newly married couple will stay here. Okay, so in this case the house capacity has been increased. Okay, so it's upward, the same house, but the capacity has increased. For this use case, we have added one more house. Okay, so in cloud, where the same terminology, this is called vertical scaling. This is vertical scaling and this is horizontal scaling. Now what is happening, sorry, excuse me. Yeah, in this case what is happening, we have a just consider it's a VM. So this is my VM, and what I'm doing, I'm just increasing the size of my VM. If I'm increasing the size of my VM, it is vertical scaling. But if I'm adding more VMs so that the performance is increased, then it is horizontal scaling. Simple. Okay, so in this case I have added more VMs, and in this case I have increased the size of the VM. When I'm increasing the size of the VM, it's vertical scaling. When I'm adding more VMs, it's horizontal scaling. Simple. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Stay connected.